Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. All right, we have a problem, a very big one. So let us peruse. All right, the roots of the quadratic equation are given to us, and we are asked to construct the quadratic equation. All right, without wasting time, let us give it a trial. Okay, the roots are s equal to, in brackets, 3 plus the square root of 5, bracket close. And we also have another one as x equal to, in bracket, 3 minus the square root of 5, bracket close. Now what this means is this, when we talk about doing this root of quadratic equation, is simply the reverse of factorization. So we are doing the reverse, like starting from the bottom to the top. All right, so now what we know is this: we take the whole of this to the left hand side so that we equate it to 0. That's what we are going to do for both. So we now say x, if we move this to this side, it will become minus 3 plus the square root of 5, bracket close. The same goes for this, x minus, in bracket, 3 minus the square root of 5. So now we have now gotten equal to 0. So we have now gotten the two linear equation that when we take their product will give us a quadratic equation. So let us peruse. X minus bracket 3 plus the square root of 5, bracket close, x minus bracket 3 minus the square root of 5, bracket close, equal to 0. So now we are going to now open the bracket. X multiply x will give us x squared. All right, now minus this bracket, x multiplied by minus this bracket here will now give us minus bracket x minus 5 square x. All right, so now we now use this to multiply. When we use this to multiply x, it will now give us minus this to multiply minus bracket 3 plus the square root of 5 x. So now this will now multiply this. So we now write it as minus bracket 3 plus the square root of 5 multiply minus bracket 3 minus the square root of 5 equal to 0. All right, let us now take it one step at a time so we don't make mistake. So now let us concentrate on this part. All right, now this minus is affecting the bracket, so minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 will give us a positive 9. So let's go with this. Minus 3 multiplied by minus the square root of 5 will give us minus 3 the square root of 5. All right, minus the square root of 5 multiplied by minus 3 will give us a positive 3 the square root of 5. Minus the square root of 5 multiplied by minus the square root of 5. Now minus is plus, so let's say minus the square root of 5 multiplied by the square root of 5. So it will now give us minus 5, because the square of 5 multiplying another square of 5 is what? 5. So now we are through with this part. Okay, now let's come back here now. Right, x squared. Now here we open this bracket so that it will be easier. So 3 multiplied by x will give us minus 3x. Okay, when we open this bracket here will become plus square root of 5x. The same thing is done here. X multiplied by 3 will give us 3x, so the minus sign will come into play, minus 3x. All right, then minus then here will now give us minus the square root of 5. All right, now this is how the equation will now be. Here is a plus. Sorry, this is a continuous process. I know this is very lengthy. So now what we need to do is, we know that sorry, here is x. This will cancel this. X squared minus 6x, then this will cancel out to give us 0. 9 minus 5 will give us 4, so plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation that is formed. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page. Bye bye.